So, do you have to wait and buy the new OnePlus 9 or OnePlus 9 Pro, or just can buy right now the OnePlus 8 Pro actually? Let's find that out in this video. So what's going on, everyone? Hope everything good. And today, as I said in the intro, we are gonna talk about the OnePlus 8 Pro. But why we are talking about the OnePlus 8 Pro just like a year after the release date of this phone? So I have few interesting points for you. And first of all, I just have to say that this one is actually my first OnePlus phone that I'm trying right now. And so I did want to try the OnePlus and OnePlus experience in general. So I've decided to buy this one to feel and actually experience the Oxygen OS, so the software that comes in with the OnePlus, and it's actually, I think, the most stock Android skin that we have on the market right now. And actually it is pretty fast, it is lightning fast if you compare it to others Android smartphone. Actually it is, in my opinion, one of the best Android skin that we can find right now. But I mean, I love the Android stock skin, so that is why I love this one. And actually it kind of remembers me the times when I just flash ROMs inside of my oldest phone with the cyanogen mode. And so actually that was the step before OnePlus as born. But that's another topic. And as I was saying, this one is one of the best skin for Android, we can say, because it actually is pretty much stock, as I said, but it is actually one of the most customizable one among Android skins. This thing is really good because if you play a little bit with your phone, with your settings, you can find like many settings, many interesting settings to customize your phone. And actually you can find some mods around the internet, so you can just customize and just build your phone on your personal preferences. That thing is just very important to me. And actually in general, as you may know already, the Oxygen OS is a pretty much bug-free experience. That is a thing to mention because we do not have like major issue, in my opinion. And also I have to say that I bought this phone used, actually. I don't know if you haven't seen the video, just click the unboxing video right here and you can see the unboxing of this phone and see how actually it comes through Amazon warehouse. So it was in good condition, and actually after all this time that I've used, I didn't see any scratches on the phone, and it is pretty much perfect. It just misses some accessories, and actually it doesn't have, of course, the screen protector. And so for me, this one was pretty much a good deal to just test the OnePlus, because I just paid this one 600 euros and for a pretty much new phone, so it was a good deal. So the other point that I have on getting this OnePlus 8 Pro is actually to test it and of course wait for the 9 Pro or maybe just the OnePlus 9 and see how many differences there are between this and the new one that will come out soon, and see what will be the new features that they will add on the new model, and of course to see the comparison between this camera's setup and actually the new camera setup. Because as you may already know, of course, if you're interested in OnePlus, and probably that's why you clicked on this video, the new camera setup from OnePlus and the collaboration with Hasselblad, so a major cameras company, we can say, and they are very professional. They have so much experience. They make cameras like since many years. So I'm pretty curious about that, because this year could be, I think, the first year that OnePlus received like a good camera setup, and that could be very interesting. But for that, we have to wait and see till the 23rd of this month. So we do not have to wait that much long. So that was a very short video from me because I just want to tell you my OnePlus experience. And actually I wanted to tell you, for those who are just like undecided on what to buy, if just buy this one right now maybe, or maybe wait and see the OnePlus 9 or OnePlus 9 Pro. I have some thoughts on that. And so I can say that this OnePlus right here, I know it has already 1 year, and it has like not the latest chipset and all that stuff, but it is working pretty good. It is fast. It is faster than most of the Android phone, and it is actually faster than most of the latest Android phone. So if you consider only this aspect, so performance and maybe the software, so the Oxygen OS, that will be probably very, very similar with the new one. So you don't actually consider the weakest part of this OnePlus, that is of course the camera setup, because here we have like pretty much mid-range cameras. You can take like some point and shoot photos to upload maybe on the social, but there is nothing too special. I mean, also in the video side, it's pretty bad in my opinion. We have so many different phones that they are actually better than this for the same price, and for the same price actually of this used unit. So just do some researches and you can find some smartphones better than this. But I repeat, if you want like very fast performance, very fast and responsive phone, one of the best software and skin for Android, I think you can go for that. And actually I did forgot one thing, that here we have like in the camera setup, we have one just useless lens, and I couldn't find any good use to that lens. And I don't know why they put it on this top phone actually, because here we have a top phone of last year. But anyway, as I was saying, if you are searching for a speed phone and nothing but that, you can just buy this one. Of course, it is better if you find a good deal like me, and you can pay this one like around 500 and 600 euros. But if you are the type of person that want to take some photos and good videos with the smartphone, so I don't think this one is the smartphone for you, because it is not that good. And actually you can find some mid-range phones with a range of 200, maybe 300 euros that could be maybe better in photo side than this one. Instead, if you want to take good photos and good video, we hope you should wait the OnePlus 9 or maybe the OnePlus 9 Pro and see how the collaboration with Hasselblad will be. And then we can think if buy the new version, or maybe you can just buy the oldest version, because it is actually not that bad. Anyway, remember that to know about the new OnePlus 9, we have to wait until the 23rd of this month, and we will see what OnePlus has for us. In any case, if you liked this video, just hit a like right now. If you haven't subscribed already, consider doing it right now, because it's free, of course. And thank you for watching this video, and thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.